hell's that noise? What the hell's that noise? The hell are you doing? Why would you get yourself up there? Yeah, it is.
Cody, come on!
It is gonna get cold tonight.
Help, please.
Why'd you get yourself up there?
I didn't. You did.
I did not.
Don't lie to me.
I just came back from inside.
Don't lie. I would kill myself.
Just jump for it. Just jump for it.
Fuck no. I mean, heck no. Yeah, heck no.
He's the scariest kid. Look how far he is from the ground. He won't jump. He's maybe like 3 feet.
I'm not breaking mine. Help! No, come on, dude, help.
For real?
Off the camera and help!
No, I can't, dude.
Jay,
Just come on.
I hate you. I'm sorry. I can't get
Look how far he is from the ground. This kid is so scared he will not jump down.
Here we go. Ow! My crack! Help! Help! No!
Come on, just jump down.
No!
Just jump down, damn it.
Help! Turn off the camera!
This is too funny.
Help!
For real, just jump down.
I'm not jumping
This
down.
ain't funny no more.
Stay up here.
Alright, deuces.
Help! Oh, please. Please help me.
Bye, Ian.